Today, we're going to create an asset. To create an asset, please navigate to the Setup tab and to Assets. From here, please scroll over to the right-hand side of the page and select the New Asset button. Please fill out the information, asset name, asset ID, and description if desired. Underneath, you are able to assign a GPS tag that is not currently assigned to another asset, and select the asset type. Please select Save Changes. A green bar will pop up at the top saying Asset was successfully created. You have now created an asset. For questions or comments, please contact helpdesk@geoforce.com or call us at 972-546-3878.